Unleash the power of prefixes and suffixes. Hello language explorers and welcome back. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of the English language, combining prefixes and suffixes with base words. This skill will not only enhance your vocabulary but will also help you understand the structure of many English words. Prefixes and suffixes are sets of letters that we add to the beginning or end of a word to change its meaning. Prefixes are added at the beginning, while suffixes are added at the end. They can transform a word into a different part of speech or even create a word with a completely opposite meaning. For example, the prefix un, added to happy, gives us unhappy, and the suffix ness added to kind gives us kindness. There are many prefixes in English, each with a unique meaning. Some common ones are un, re, dis, and anti. When adding these to a base word, make sure you understand the effect each prefix has on the word's meaning. For instance, un creates a negative or opposite meaning, while re implies doing something again. Example, do becomes undo, play becomes replay. Remember, not all prefixes can be added to all base words. It is essential to learn which prefixes go with which words. Suffixes also come in a variety of forms like full, less, ness, and li. They can alter the part of speech of the base word. For example, ness turns adjectives into nouns and li turns adjectives into adverbs. Example, happy becomes happiness. Quick becomes quickly. Note, just like with prefixes, not all suffixes can be added to all base words. Now, on to the fun part. You can use both a prefix and a suffix with a base word. This might seem complicated, but it's actually a powerful tool for expanding your vocabulary. Example, agree, with prefix dis and suffix ment, becomes disagreement. In this word, the prefix dis creates a negative meaning, and the suffix ment turns the verb agree into a noun. There you go. You've now learned how to combine prefixes and suffixes with base words, a skill that can greatly enhance your English vocabulary. Don't be afraid to play around with different combinations. The more you practice, the more intuitive it will become. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take gets you closer to your destination. Until next time, keep exploring, and happy learning.